Hello everyone, the Duke here, and this is what the microphone sounds like on a GoPro Hero 8. This is just a standard microphone. I'm speaking from behind it. And this is what it sounds like from in front of it.
Ow! 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 Oh my god. Oh my god, that hurt so bad. It hurt so bad. Oh, don't hit me in the same spot, please. Gosh, that hurts. It hit me like in the butt bone.
The butt bone? The boner? Alright, this is now me speaking from behind with the media mod. I'll aim this time. Oh. I wasn't sure if it hit you. I was about to shoot again.
Gosh. I had 2 welts on my butt.
Did I get the other cheek?
Yes, you got the other cheek, Jack. Thank you.
I got 4 more bullets.
No, I'm good. Okay.